Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I'm Tish, and I be Trouble. And if you are a returner, welcome back.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the past. You ruin everything.
Alright, it is Shady Friday, and we are getting shady with Mountain Witch Christine. And she chose black, blue, and silver. So I decided I was going to use the Cool Trolls palette by Cosmic Brushes. So I used this black shade, this black shimmer, that's silver. I used this light blue, dark blue, and the blue shimmer. And then I also used this in my inner corner for my black, blue, and silver look. Alright, so this is the matte black called Shadow, and I put that on my outer corner and I ran it along the lash line.
It's so beautiful at night. Walk with me, see the scenery. Oh, from a bridge I see your lights, how they shine so bright. Everything will be alright.
It's very dark when you use it with a brush, but not so much when you swatch it. Then I used this dark blue called Midnight, and I put it on my outer V and kind of in the crease a little bit.
Have a seat and chill. Watch the birds fly away. We'll see them another day. The water is so still. Have a seat and chill. Watch the birds fly away.
And
We'll see them
it also
another day.
didn't apply patchy, but as you can see, the swatch is patchy. I don't know why. It applies beautifully, swatch not so great. Then this light blue called Hidden, I put that on the inner corner and kind of blended everything out. And then I blended my lower lash line as well.
Oh, from a bridge I see your lights, how they shine so bright.
But because I wanted a little bit more oomph, and I thought it was going to be a little bit different than it actually is, this shade here. I don't know if you can tell, but it has sparkles in it, blue sparkles. And I was kind of hoping that it was a shimmer, but it is not. It is a matte with sparkles. So I put that on the outer part of my lower lid, and it kind of was like really dark, but not sparkly.
How they shine so bright. Everything will be alright. Just hold on tight. We'll be fine.
So I took the this affinity shade and put it in the middle and kind of blended it with that matte black a little bit.
Your cloudy blue eyes could rescue me. When the sun comes out, it melts my doubts that there will ever be a day where you don't know the right thing.
And then I took the silver called Moonlight and I put it in my inner corner, and I put it down here in the inner corner on my lower lid.
Oh, from a bridge I see your lights, how they shine so bright. It's so beautiful at night. Walk with me, see the scenery. Oh, from a bridge, I see your lights, how they shine so bright. Everything will be alright, just hold on tight, we'll be fine.
And then I took this shade here, Reveal,
The water is so still,
and it's a highlight shade.
have a seat
And I put it on my brow bone.
Watch the birds fly away, we'll see them another day.
And I forgot to do my inner corner, which is what I wanted to use it for. So let's do that together.
Watch the birds fly away, we'll see
Yeah.
them another day.
That's what my look was missing. I was trying to figure out what it was missing.
From a bridge, I see your
And it was that inner corner highlight.
how they shine so bright.
Now, this is either a topper shade or used for inner corner highlight, but I did use it on my brow bone as a highlight. And I kind of wanted to keep the theme going, and so in my waterline, I put this LA Color gel eyeliner, and it's like a silvery blue. And I just put that on my waterline. And then I took the Michaela Pot 2 Glam Light highlighter, and I put this on there. It looked blue, but then when I put it on, kind of shifts purple. But it is whatever.
How they shine so bright. It's so beautiful and
So that is what I have done for my Getting Shady with the Beauty Ninjas. And that is the look for Christine. I hope that you like. I'm kind of liking the look. It's hard for me to put on blues and be experimental with blues. And so I kind of appreciate this whole process because it's kind of pushes you out of your comfort zone. And once I get the blues on, I'm like, what was I scared of? I like the blues. And I feel like the blues look good, like on my complexion. So I don't know. The thing about this palette though, is it does stain. So there is that. The black and the dark blue stain very badly. Anyways, like I said, this is my look. I don't know who next week's look is going to be, but I can't wait to find out. And again, there will be a playlist in the description box. Go check out the other ladies and see what they did with the colors. And leave them a nice message in their comment section. Alright, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. All of that good stuff is below. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day. And I will see you all next time. Bye. Oh, and my spelling? You're welcome.
how they shine so bright. Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future